my birthday cake. If you want to follow along, then grab a pencil, marker, or crayon, and a piece of paper. And if you don't want to follow along, then just do your own thing. So first we're going to be drawing 2 parallel lines right here. And you want to make sure they're parallel or else it's going to look like a lopsided cake. And nobody really wants lopsided cake. But that's okay if you make any mistakes. Then you're going to draw a little U shape at the bottom. Make sure it connects so then it looks like an actual cake. And then you're going to draw a line right on the top like that. And make little bumpy lines for the delicious frosting. Because, like, what's a cake without frosting? And then that's our little beautiful cake. Now, if you want, you can add a little funny face. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw kind of a half circle. And then I'm gonna color this inside part in. Make it look super pretty. And then if you want, you can add eyelashes. And if I'm going too fast, then you guys can always pause the video. Okay, add some eyelashes on this one. And so I just added a little tiny ones. We're gonna make a little smile. And then come down and back up. And put a little tongue inside. It's like, hey. Then you color it all in. And then we're gonna draw the candles. So make it just a little rectangular thing. And so I only drew 3, but you can draw however many you want. And I'm gonna draw some stripes on the candles. Now your candles don't have to be identical. They can be whatever kind of candles you want them to be. And then I'm gonna draw that, and we're gonna draw little upside down U's. And your cake is all done. I'm going to actually put this on a plate. So we're gonna start from behind and come around and go back in. Then we're gonna draw another one right in there. Then if you would like, you can draw any details on the plate if you want, but I'm not gonna draw any details. Okay, so now we're going to be coloring in our cake. These are the colors I picked right here on the side. So I picked the red and the orangey for the flames. And then I picked brown for the cake, pink for the frosting, and blue for the plate and the candles, and then also purple for the candles. very own beautiful little birthday cake. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, comment, or subscribe. Thanks!